No.
So that's by roundabout, this one.
So that's 2.
Yeah. You're at number 4. Off the roundabout, and everything would have been hunky-dory. Now you make it hard work for yourself. So right number 3.
This is 1.
What's some temperatures around here? Signals come off. Been easy going in that lane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the sign on the approach said you can use either lane. I need to put your foot down. That tanker on your left here. Keep right. Won't be straddling the lanes when you keep right. Check that dormer. Do some overtaking.
Yeah.
Spiral roundabout. When I said turn right here 19 south here, the signs were saying, look, if you go near 19 south, you can use the left, the middle of the right lane.
Yeah.
You should have picked the middle one. It would have been so easy to get off the roundabout.
All I was looking at was the right side of the sign. I wasn't looking at like the middle.
Right. Well, if you looked at the middle one, it said A19 south here.
Yeah.
Actually, I've got a video on that on YouTube. Let's see roundabout. Leave at the next exit. Let's see if you can do the spiral roundabout on your own. Now remember, look at markings and signs in both lanes.
Okay.
So we're going to go right, 4th exit for Durham A69. You got that?
Yeah.
No help, it's all yours. seconds.
Yeah.
Dear me. He's flying, wasn't he? But, you know, when you left the roundabout and said we'll turn right, which lane should have gone straight in?
Just straight to the right,
You
not to
should
the
have gone
left.
straight to the right lane. Right, number 4, Dermere 69. Everybody thinks we're going straight ahead at the moment. Yay.
So that's number 2, isn't it?
Yep. Good.
Number 3.
Yep. Excellent. So it's just led you off.
Yeah, I see that, yeah.
Now, had you picked that lane, then you would have had to come back left, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It's all good. Did you understand them a bit more?
Yeah, a bit more better now, yeah. I see why they can be so difficult.
Yeah. Missed that out. Now, don't go ragging the life out of the gears and missing gears out. I'd rather just change gear at the right time.
Yeah.
I'd only miss gears out going downhill. How many seconds is this?
About 1.
Only a full brakes to 2 seconds. So you just that's better now. So keep that gap. What is the gap and work with it?
4 seconds.
What about icy conditions?
That's about 20.
10 times the distance. Well, I think that's going to do. It's flown over, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was okay at the beginning, but once I started on the spiral roundabouts, it's a bit difficult.
Well, you've took a lot of information in it here. My brain couldn't handle all that. I think my brain would have just took in the small slip roads,
Yeah.
joining and emerging, then my head would have been battered. It's an advisory that looks still 50, but advise you to do 40 for the bend. Because people couldn't fly around here too fast.
Yeah.
Right now, next lesson. Do you want to do the little motorway trip? So that's about half an hour, 25 minutes. Or do you want to go straight on the manoeuvres?
Maneuvers.
Sure.
Yeah. Because the motorways are not that different compared to
You're right.
dual
What I've
carriageways.
seen the deer is you can do the motorways.
Yeah.
So I don't really have any problems with not doing them with you. Now, normal people, then yes, I would do them.
Yeah.
But I've seen enough to know that you can manage them easy enough.
Yeah.
So I want to move on to all the manoeuvres. If you can get the 4 manoeuvres done in one lesson, you've done really well.
Next week, would it be possible to do 3 or 4 hours?
If I have the space, then yes. Are you free anytime? You're not free.
I'm just trying to think. I'm free like. I'm just trying to think. I am free all of next week.
Yeah. Try. Do a mock test on you.
Yeah.
Careful what you wish for. Do you think you're going to pass it?
What, your mock test?
Yes.
I think I will, to be honest.
Do you?
Yeah. Do you know, like, for example, how we're doing 50?
Yes.
If you're doing like 51, is that when you get flashed?
No, it won't flash on 51.
So do you know like what speed they'll flash you at?
Normally about the 57. It's
Okay.
I've heard 10% plus 3, but take that one more off Doug's back.
Yeah.
So one of my pupils came along here at 57 miles an hour, so 56 miles per hour, and the speed camera's on.
Yeah.
Fine, it was my fault. I should have been on the ball. I wasn't on the ball, and I thought, oh, I'm going to get 3 points here. And we didn't get any points. lanes, so that was 56, so that was 10% of 50. Sorry, plus 3, 10% of 50 is 55, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plus 3 is 58. Keep left. So you didn't get flash, so I didn't get flash. If you're doing 52, 53, oh, you can get wrong for that 54, but I wouldn't risk it at all. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've just heard it's 10%, so like though it's 30, you do 33, 34.
Yeah.
And I've heard 10% plus 2, 10% plus 3. Just doing speed. But I wouldn't worry if you go 1 or 2 miles over the top. You're going to get wrong for that, yeah?
No.
I wouldn't worry for it. Been really aggressive with these gear stuff here.
Yeah, I have been, yeah. Am I going left?
Just gentle with that gears. Put one finger on it. Put one finger on that gear link.
Yeah.
The fourth with one finger.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You grip the life out of it. What do you think you've done then?
Could be better, could be worse.
What could be better?
When it comes to spinal roundabouts, just looking more at the signs better and the lanes changing.
Yeah, it went alright. Better things, gear's a bit rough.
I don't know why I'm being rough with it.
Footwork a bit rough, but yeah, you've done a lot today, so well done. Right, small slip roads. If you can't join, what would you have to do?
Joe Carriageways, is that?
Yeah, the small ones.
You'd have to slow down but probably stop.
Good. Try and time so you don't have to stop.
Yeah.
Set reservation if it's not wide enough to sit in. What have you got to do? Wait till. If it's not wide enough to sit in the middle, you have to wait till what?
Until it's clear.
Both lanes is
Both
clear.
lanes, yeah.
If it is wide enough to sit, if it's not wide enough to keep to the left, then you cut off to the.
On to the right.
And if it's wide enough to keep the left, just keep it to the left. Have you got that?
Yeah.
What about crossing the certain reservations? Turn right across the dual carriageways. Any questions about that? So you know when you go and turn right and just give way to them?
Yeah.
Any questions about that?
No.
When you join the motor with the slip roads, the big ones, what have you got to do with your speed?
Got to match it to the cars already on there.
Good.
On there.
And when you overtake, get past as quick as you can. How do you know when to move back to the left?
When you can see the headlights in the rear view.
Well, when you overtake, not take your little lorry, get past as. Don't sit side by side, get past as quick as you can.
Yeah.
When you leave the dual carriageway, when do you signal if you're doing 70?
300 yards away.
Good. What about 50?
200 yards away.
And when vehicles want to join, what 3 ways can you deal with it?
You could either slow down, go to the right a bit safe.
Yeah.
I'm not sure of a third one.
What's the opposite of slowing down?
Oh, speeding up.
Good. What gap do you keep on the fast moving roads?
2 seconds.
How do you judge it? Oh, we didn't do the emergency stop?
No.
Right, we'll have to do that next time. Reminds on to do that, yeah?
Yeah.
How do you keep the 2 second gap?
It's when the rear wheel matches up with the centre line, isn't
Yeah,
it?
just line the back of a car over a centre line, and then what do you do? Count how many seconds?
2 seconds.
Good. And if you've counted the 2 seconds and you've not reached it yet, what does that mean? You've not reached the marker point.
That you're going too fast.
Well, it means you've got a good gap. If you've counted the 2 seconds and you've not reached the marker point, you've got a good gap, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, I'll try and text you if any spaces come up, yeah?
Okay.
See if we get you for 2 lessons. But there's some good stuff on there for you.
Yeah.
I'll try and get uploaded on Sunday, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Have you any questions before you go?